What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be talking about how to hide your subscriber count. Before we dive into the video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Let's get straight into the video. First of all, what you have to do is to click your YouTube icon, then you click on YouTube Studio. You take your dashboard, then you click on Settings, then you click on Channel, then you come to the Advanced Settings, then you scroll down, you come to Subscriber Count, then you click on it, then you save, you click on Save. As easy as that, you have hide your subscriber count. So when you come to your channel, you can see your subscriber count is not showing. You have been able to hide your subscriber count. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button.